This course I got to know by searching in Google. In that, top of that, this course has came, and then I looked into that overview of the courses. Most of them are related to the theory and how the practical sessions are there. So due to that, we have selected this course. With this, what we have done is we have started studying the course. It is like we were studied long ago, like 5 years or 10 years back only we are in college. Then we were enter into the industrialization. Afterwards, we were doing all the practical session. Theories we know, but whenever we have started working, we will not know that much. So when we started this course, all the theories, we were again recollecting everything. And with addition to that, since my background is from powertrain performance validation, in that we will do the testing, but the black box what we are having is like how they are tuning all those things, and the back calculation how they are doing it. We were a little bit only, we know, not in depth. When we started studying this course, we will get to know all the theories, calculations, and with addition to that, calculations to have a practical experience. We are there here in this lab to have an hands-on experience.